Welcome to Europe's west coast, Lisbon. Lisbon is Europe's second oldest capital, after Athens, once home to the world's greatest explorers, like Vasco da Gama, Magellan and Prince Henry the Navigator, becoming the first true world city, the capital of an empire spreading over all continents, from South America, Brazil, to Asia, Macau, China, Goa, India. The former launch pad for many of the world's greatest voyages is now where modern travelers discover Lisbon's superb natural setting, spread across 7 hills facing the Tagus River, offers a network of terraces from which to contemplate the beauty of the city. Called miradors, viewpoints, they are usually located at the highest points of each hill, and all have spaces to sit and rest. Some even have cafes serving snacks and light refreshments. Popular with locals and tourists, day and night, everyone has their favorite and you'll also find your own. You'll discover many others by chance as you wander around the narrow streets and staircases that often frame staggering vistas. You won't be able to resist to stop to admire the city because, after all, taking time to relax and contemplate is one of Lisbon's pleasures and what makes it such a seductive, romantic city, and one of the world's most beautiful cities. Below is a list of the most popular miradors, along with the monuments that offer panoramic views. Mirador das Portas do Sol. The view from this mirador is one of the most memorable in the city. Admire Alfama's rooftops, towers, and domes descending towards the river. Mirador de São Pedro de Alcântara. This is one of the most attractive miradors, with the pleasant garden and the castle standing on the opposite side. It's especially beautiful at night, when the city is lit up below. Mirador da Graça. Trees provide plenty of shade at this mirador, which is ideal for a late afternoon snack at the cafe with views to the castle. Mirador da Nossa Senhora do Monte. One of the most romantic miradors, this one site offers the city's most beautiful sunsets along with striking views of the castle and practically the entire city. Mirador de Santa Luzia. This attractive terrace offers views of the Alfama rooftops, the Tagus, and the dome of the National Pantheon, all framed by grapevine-draped trellises. St. George's Castle. The views from this historic landmark are truly spectacular. You can see almost the entire city from the terrace and battlements. Santa Justo Elevator. You'll truly be standing above the city at the very top of this charming turn-of-the-century elevator. Rocio Square is right below, the castle right in front, and you can overlook the entire downtown area all the way to the river. Once you're done taking in the views, take the overpass to reach the Carmo Church ruins. Discovery's Monument. Be sure to climb this city icon for views of the entire Bilam district, including the Geronimo's Monastery, as seen above, and the Tagus. Edward VII Park. The top of this park offers views down Avenida da Liberdade towards the river in the distance. Triumphal Arch of Rua Augusta. The Triumphal Arch on the Rua Augusta pedestrian street that leads to Commercio Square has an elevator that takes you to the top for views over Lisbon. You'll see the grand waterfront square from above, as well as all of downtown. Mirador de Santa Catarina. This terrace mirador offers views of the port and 25 de Abril Bridge, along with a pleasant cafe. It's a popular hangout for the city's young bohemian crowd. Monument to Christ. The sensation of standing right above 25 de Abril Bridge by the pedestal of this monument is truly breathtaking. Up by the statue is one of the most unique views of the city's skyline. São Vicente da Fora Monastery. Very few people are aware of the stunning panorama of the river and Alfama from the top of this noteworthy monument. National Pantheon. Facing the São Vicente da Fora Monastery, this domed church allows visitors to head to the top for city and river views. Wake up to fantastic views of Lisbon. Want to stay somewhere with a view? Here are your options. Hotel Duque Ado. With one of the best locations in the city, this hotel has rooms facing the Castle Hill and also has one of the best rooftops in town, with a panoramic view. Memo Alfama. From this hotel you have a postcard view over Lisbon's oldest and most picturesque neighborhood. All of Alfama can be seen from this design hotel, which also has a wonderful terrace. Monte Belvedere, located next to the Santa Catarina viewpoint, This small hotel has rooms with river views and a rooftop terrace where you can start your day with a breakfast while overlooking the city. Mirrored Hotel, Lisbon's tallest building and one of its most iconic modern landmarks, is now this stylish hotel standing literally in the water. There are beautiful views from every room. Solar dos Mirrors, just a few feet from the castle gate, this romantic boutique hotel has rooms looking out to the city center.